Here I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should find and open accounts. It's under personal, and as you can see, now I am logged in with my Google account. So let me click on Google to remove this one, and in order to remove HardReset.Info 1 account, click on more icon and click on remove account. Then confirm that you would like to remove all account with its messages, contacts and other data from the phone by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it's no longer here and it's not connected with your ELEPHONE. Then, if you would like to add Google account to your device, you have to open the settings one more time, go to the accounts, and now click on add account. Select the Google tab, here it is. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise it will be not possible. And here you have to log in with your Google account, and if you are not the current user of Google account, click on create account and then follow the steps presented there. But I will log in with my email address, which is HardReset.Info1@gmail.com. And click on next. And here you can enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. Click on I agree to confirm that you read all the terms of service. And here you can come along with all Google services that you have, for example, backup to Google Drive. Click on accept to confirm your selection, and now you are logged in with your Google account here as it's connected to your ELEPHONE C1 Max. So that would be all. This is how you can add and remove Google account in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.